Want to check who you've blocked on Telegram? Whether you've blocked someone intentionally or just want to review your blocked list, Telegram makes it easy to find out. Here's how you can do it. Start by opening the Telegram app on your device. Once you're on the main screen, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From here, find and tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, look for Privacy and Security and select it. Inside this section, you'll find an option called Blocked Users. Tap on it. This will open a list of all the accounts you have blocked on Telegram. Here, you can review the blocked users and manage them as needed. If you no longer wish to keep someone blocked, simply tap on their name, then select Unblock to restore communication. Otherwise, your blocked contacts will remain unable to message, call, or interact with you on Telegram. And that's how you quickly find the list of blocked users on Telegram. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips.